All right, not very hard level at all, but can easily mess you up. Now, this would be just basically putting into a space at a rest stop. Now, if you happen to turn too late, that's way better than turning too early. All right, your goal is to get hug everything as much to the left as possible, not hitting anything with your front of your trailer. And if you have to pull forward, then that's fine. You just set yourself up, get yourself a nice straight back, point your steers straight, drive backwards. All right. You can make it in one shot if you go slow enough, but let's try it again so where I don't have to do a pull forward. It's nearly best to always stay wide. All right. Stay wide. Turn at the last second, but keep aiming towards the left side of that trailer on the left. There we go. Just gonna miss it. Hug everything to the right, then back over, and then straight. And we're basically there.